Hey everybody! I'm currently traveling and wanted to test out a thoughts video with this mic and camera setup. So let me know in the comments how you like it, if I should continue this, or if we should just stay with the live streams. Today I wanted to discuss if learning how to code is still worth it in 2024. And spoiler, I kind of think that it is. Let's dive into my reasons. Now, we've all heard that learning programming is pointless right now because of AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Devon. And how those tools, they might be replacing developers. Maybe they already are replacing developers. But even if that were true, which I have my doubts, us developers do have some skills that will make using AI much easier for us than non-technical people. For example, being a developer involves way more than just coding, writing automated tests. We are writing automated tests, right? And debugging. Besides those very technical things, we also need to do things that are technical adjacent, like, well, taking vague requirements, figuring out what the requirements really are, figuring out what the requirements should actually be, and then turning those into stories. We need to collaborate with technical and non-technical team members. We need to estimate how much time work will take, even if we don't really know what that work is. And of course, we need to continuously upgrade and learn new skills. The coding part of that list can give us an edge with new models. So for example, AI systems are coming out all the time, and they're not necessarily polished and ready for non-technical end users. If we take that ability to learn new technical things, we can use those new models and potentially start getting the leg up on customizing them, integrating them into our workflow, getting used to them before they're polished and ready for, well, non-technical customers. This is going to allow us to tailor them to our specific work style. Now, this means in the end, we're going to be able to turn AI into our partners a lot faster and possibly better than anybody who's only relying upon AI models that are provided for them by, well, whichever companies they choose to use. And we're not beholden to any one company. If we really like using OpenAI, but then it just sort of stops working out for us, we can easily switch over to another model just because, well, we can. We're not beholden to whatever thing we've gotten used to. We're already used to having to learn new things anyways. That's kind of the trick here, that learning new things is really key. Because of that, the learning new things also has a caveat. If we stop learning new things, if we decide, we don't really need to learn new things, I'll be fine if I just relax for a year or two. Well, that's when the line of automation will catch up and potentially pass us. If we don't continuously learn, continuously improve, then yes, our jobs probably will be automated. But this is nothing new. Our jobs have already been automated way back from the past. How many of us remember being able to work with web development with just HTML? Maybe not even knowing styling. You could just say, I was a web developer and I only knew JavaScript and HTML. The designer did all the CSS, and they were two completely separate jobs. These days, designers know HTML and JavaScript and CSS. Developers are generally expected to do a little bit of everything. Heck, I haven't even heard of the idea of full stack dev recently because I think it's just sort of been normalized. Everybody is supposed to be able to work across the stack. Even if you're not great at everything, you're still expected to at least try and be decently productive in it. And I think that's the reason why these skills are going to be incredibly useful to us in this age of AI automation, because we can take those core learning and improvement skills, apply them to AI, customize the AI to our workflow and how we want to work, and then AI becomes less of a replacement for us and more of a partner. We'll have our custom partner that we take with us from job to job. And I think that's going to be a killer feature of us developers in the future. Anyways, that's just my thoughts. I could be completely wrong. You could fully disagree with me. Let's have a conversation in the comments for that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you all have a great day and see you next time. Bye.